In a major leap for dental healthcare in the region, Dental College of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS today inaugurated the first cone beam computed tomography, also known as CBCT room in Northeast India. The advanced diagnostic facility was formally inaugurated by RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma in presence of Medical Superintendent of RIMS Professor N. Sanjeev and Principal of Dental College Professor B. Pravin Reddy. Speaking at the inaugural ceremony, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma announced the installation of state-of-art machine in the Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology, describing it as one of the most advanced diagnostic tools available in dentistry today. He emphasized that the facility will significantly improve accuracy in dental diagnosis and treatment planning, particularly in fields such as oral surgery, endodontics, implantology, and orthodontics. Professor B. Pravin Reddy stressed that the new facility is a boon for Manipur and the entire region, highlighting its potential to deliver high-end dental imaging at low cost with reduced radiation exposure. He noted that RIMS Dental College is the first in Northeast India to introduce such cutting-edge technology solely for dental diagnostics. The event was attended by department heads, senior faculty members, students and staff of the dental college, who welcomed the development as a significant milestone in the college's pursuit of excellence in dental education and patient care.
We have added a very high-end machine, CT machine in Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology in the Dental College. And this is one of the very high-end machine in the field of dentistry, and this will enhance the the very fine work in terms of implants and the other dental related studies also. And this is one of the first in the entire Northeast in the government setup, and this will improve the dental service to the larger population of the country.